You need two pieces of information to determine what size expansion tank you need: your water heater capacity and the incoming water pressure. The water heater capacity should be listed on a label. In my case, it's right down here. Our water heater capacity is 50 gallons. The new expansion tank needs to be set to the same pressure as the incoming cold water. We're going to measure the incoming cold water pressure through these two leaky valves here. We have a water pressure of 50 psi. This is the expansion tank I purchased. It's a 2-gallon tank and is made for water heaters up to 60-gallon capacity and up to 80 psi incoming pressure. The maximum incoming pressure was specified by Eastman online and is not listed on the box. I chose the Eastman brand because it had the longest warranty, 6 years. The expansion tank needs to be at the same pressure as the incoming water. The tank should come pre-charged to 40 psi, but we need 50 psi, so we'll have to add some air. We'll just take this cover off the inflation valve and measure the pre-charged pressure. It's at 45 psi. It was rated for 40 psi in the packaging, so always check your tank. I have a car compressor that I use to fill up my car tires. I'm going to use it to fill up this expansion tank. It's about 50. Now we're ready to install the expansion tank.